Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable document on Word. If you attended my critical writing PD session, then I will be following the same steps given in the resource handout. So the first thing that we need to do is our setup. We have to make sure that we have developer in our menu ribbon. Most laptops won't have it. That is something that you have to add. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to go to File. You're going to scroll down to Options. When the Options menu opens, you're going to select Custom Ribbon. And then on the right-hand column, you're going to make sure there's a check mark in Developer. Once you have that check mark in, you're going to select OK. And if you did those steps correctly, you should see Developer in your menu ribbon. Moving on to part 2, creating a fillable document. So the first thing you need to do is to open a document. I am using a graphic organizer that I created for my son's research project, but you can use obviously whatever you decide that you want your students to do in your class. And so if you have not created the document, you need to do that first so you know exactly what you want to make as a fillable content and what you want to keep as your regular content. And so in order to make the content fillable where they can manipulate it on their laptops or their devices, you're going to go to the developer menu, click on that tab. You're going to make sure that your cursor is in the area that you want the students to manipulate. And then you're going to select Rich Text Content Control. And when you do that, you should see click or tap here to enter. So I'm going to do that for the rest of this row. Select or put my cursor in the area where I want my students to manipulate. Select Rich Text Content Control. And I'm going to do the same thing for this last one. Okay. So now we have created the form where they can manipulate. So that is the end of part 2. The last part is protecting your document. Now, you don't want to just send this out and have the students able to manipulate, change instructions or directions, change requirements or formats or any of that nature. So you need to protect it. So you're going to go back to your developer tab, and you're going to select Restrict Editing. From there, you're going to put a check mark into the Limit Formatting to a section of styles. And then you're also going to put a check mark into the Allow only this type of editing in the document. And then you're going to make sure that you have filling in forms selected under editing restrictions. Once you've selected those 3 things, then you're going to select Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. This dialog box, I don't really use it, so I just hit OK. But if you want to create a password, you can go ahead and do so. I don't use it, so I just hit OK. And now my document is ready to be sent out to my students. So I can place this in the hub for them. I can place this in Google Classroom. I can send it out however, and they can only manipulate the places where it says click or tap here to enter. So right now I'm trying to change the title and it's not allowing me. I'm trying to change the content that I have on there, set on there, and it's not allowing me. However, if I go to the fillable section, I can type here, here, and here. But I cannot type anywhere else but the sections given. So once you have that, like I said, you're ready to send it out to your students. If for any reason that you need to go back and change something, you can hit stop protection and you will be able to go back and manipulate your instructions. I hope you was able to learn something. I hope this is something that you can use in your classroom. Thank you for viewing. Have an awesome, awesome, awesome day.